Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to pair two Midland BT Pro with the TFT system on BMW and of course with the phone with the GPS. This GPS is the Garmin 595 that is exactly the same of the Navigator 6 of BMW. So first of all we will check the two BT Pro with the software programmer of Midland if they have the last firmware version, and then we have to activate for both units special compatibilities volume plus BMW. Okay, for the first one, exit, and also for the second one, very quickly, special compatibilities BMW. Okay, now both BT Pro will work in a perfect combination with this system. So first of all, I'm going to put both on setup mode, and I'm going to pair the two units in the way to have the intercom communication between them. You can follow the user manual, but the command are for the unit off. You have to press 7 seconds the central button. When you have a steady red light, you have to press again the control button for 3 seconds as soon as you see the purple light. Now we are going to switch on the TFT system, and now we can see it in Italian language, but I'm trying to translate. This is settings, this is connection. We're going to wait a little bit because it is in gray color because it's not ready. It should take okay, now it's ready. So connection, we're going to connect first of all the mobile phone, smartphone. Okay, so he found my Galaxy S5 Neo, Samsung one. So with the handle, I can accept and confirm, and also on my phone I will confirm the request that the TFT system is going to send to me, and also to share the contact list. Okay, now the phone is paired. Now we are going to pair the first helmet, the one of the driver, and for the helmet of the driver with the steady red LED, I'm going to push the volume plus button to pair this system with the TFT. So always with the handle, I'm going to accept. Okay, paired. Now we have to pair the helmet of the passenger. So we go in the second helmet, always with the volume plus button, and we wait that TFT will show BT Pro. Confirm. Okay, now the last pairing procedure will be from the unit of the driver. We need to switch off it, 3 second control button and back button together, then again go to setup mode, 7 second the control button, and now we will pair the Garmin Zumo or the Navigator on the volume minus. So we start the pairing procedure. We will continue it on the screen of the, it's not okay, headset. Okay, now we must see. Okay, BT Next Pro. Okay, paired.